Let us never tolerate outrageous conspiracy theories concerning the attacks of September the 11th, malicious lies that attempt to shift the blame away from the terrorists themselves, away from the guilty.
People are always asking me, yo Gemini, what's your angle? Are you a devil or an angel? And I say both, as I continue to blame the Knights Templar and the Hospitallers, the real reason New York lost their towers. Don't sit back or hesitate to react to the impact. Many taking a nap. In fact, they would fake an attack to make way for the Patriot Act. Some say, hey, it ain't safe to say that, but it's the same game, different name on the map as they place blame and they aim at Iraq. It's a damn shame cause they never claimed the hijack. Following the fiddle, one with a found hero, the town hero responsible for ground zero. Objects in the mirror close and they appear so clear your ear to hear the sound of fear grow. Beware the eagle, the dragon, and the ego, and footage that they show that we are forced to see slow, persecuted and disputed because of what we know. The strength that control these kings come from below. Observe the nerve of this dark heart government, thinking they can avoid a spark with another myth. Walk right up, take the Ark of the Covenant. The cards have been pulled by the shark and I'm loving it. Look hard and you will find 7 heads of the beast behind 9/11, wrapped in fine linen. Even John Lennon couldn't imagine this modern day Armageddon. We've been ambushed, pushed to the edge, persecuted cause we disputed to know the ledge. Pledge allegiance, not even if the world stops turning. Never trust a bush unless it's burning. We've all been ambushed, pushed to the edge, persecuted cause we disputed to know the ledge. Pledge allegiance, not even if the world stops turning. Never trust a bush unless it's burning.
There is a chance for the President of the United States to use this disaster to carry out what his father, a phrase his father used, I think, only once, and hasn't been used since, and that is a New World Order.
From junior to senior to Grandpa Prescott to the Nazi mouse house in the center at Epcot. Let's not forget the messed up mascot, Skull and Bones thinking up Geronimo's rest spot. These foam thrones are not alone in their upset plot. These garden gnomes are part of Rome, so I take my best shot. With the heart of stones, they are prone to never get caught. There's every cold phone details and emails on your desktop. Many be growing up gaudy like Mayor Giuliani, practicing karate with the Illuminati. Atanto Kimosabe, who's quick to kill somebody for the love of mud honey or a little blood money. I don't find these thugs funny, they sell drugs to Bugs Bunny. Not that it's any of my business that I'm his a Daffy Duck's buddy. Just hide it when they laugh at me and what my dreadlocks do.
Your government funded and trained Al-Qaeda.